Well, good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm Sean Hammond here from the Laker Country Weather Center, getting back into the forecast mode. I'm going to talk about some severe weather chances coming up for tomorrow. First off, there's a look at the Kentucky Mesonet that is as of 4:40 this morning. We are already at 57 degrees in Jamestown and Russell Springs. How about 58 showing up in Liberty, 55 in Somerset, 56 in Monticello, Albany. Let's see, 56 also in Burkesville and also in Edmonton and Columbia. 54 showing up in Campbellsville up there in Taylor County this morning. There's a check of the current radar. Again, that's as of 4:41 this morning. Just some scattered showers in the far southeastern portion of the state, talking about around close to around like McQuarrie County, places like that down into northern Tennessee. Now, the big story is going to be the weather. We are keeping a very close watch on the potential for strong to severe storms coming up for the day on Friday. So let's jump right into that. Let's get to the day 2 outlook because that'll be for tomorrow. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. This is as of right now. They have a level 2 slight risk. This is including much of the state of Kentucky, stretching down through most of Tennessee, North, South Carolina, Georgia, parts of Alabama, and East Mississippi. And then surrounding that, we've got a level 1 marginal risk. So what's driving all this? Well, let's get right into it. We're going to pull it up here, and we'll look at the models. We're going to pull up the HRRR. That's the High Resolution Rapid Refresh model. And I can show you what's going to happen today because there could be a severe weather outbreak for places to our south and west. All right, let's jump right into it. This is the radar at 4 a.m., so we're obviously going to start moving that forward. And watch what happens during the afternoon hours, especially over in Texas. You can see just storms really begin to explode north of Dallas and that part of their area. And then as we go through the evening and nighttime hours tonight, those storms will progress into a line and then continue to start moving through parts of Arkansas and through Louisiana. So let's pull up the high resolution NAM. This will go out a little bit further, and I can kind of give you more about what's going to be going on in terms of our weather for tomorrow. So we will load up the high resolution NAM. And again, you can see those storms rapidly explode this afternoon and evening. And watch tomorrow morning. So this is at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see some showers start to move into Kentucky. Now, again, this is just an idea of what the radar will look like. Not, like I always tell you, don't take this to the bank. There's 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and then it looks like by mid-morning going into the early afternoon hours, that's when we can expect this line to progress through the Lake Cumberland region. That's at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You can see showers and storms. It looks to be in a squall line moving through southern Indiana and then all through Kentucky, including, like I said, here in the Lake Cumberland region. Storms move off into eastern Kentucky, and they should clear the state by tomorrow evening. So, like I said, the main timing for the severe weather tomorrow, as of right now, looks to be mid-morning into the early afternoon hours. So, definitely something we are going to be keeping a close watch on. Of course, you want to make sure and stay weather aware all day tomorrow, as we do have the potential for strong to severe storms. Now, like I said, as of right now, there is a slight risk. Will that be upgraded? We'll just have to wait and see what happens as we get closer to tomorrow. Looks like the main threat is going to be damaging winds. Very strong winds are going to be possible. Matter of fact, a wind advisory is going to be going into effect tomorrow. So we're going to have very strong gusty winds outside of any kind of thunderstorm activity. Now, I'm going to pull up another model here. This is another part of the high-resolution NAM, but we are going to look at the significant tornado parameter. I'm going to pull that up for you here. Okay, here's a look at the significant tornado parameter. This is coming up for tomorrow morning, and we'll start moving it ahead. You can see that we definitely have some showing up in our neck of the woods. We will stop this here and investigate a little bit further, and you can see that over there in around just to the south of Bowling Green, has an STP value of 1.3. Again, not too terribly high, but watch as this starts to move over into eastern Kentucky. You can start to see some of those greens begin to flare up again. That's something we're going to have to keep a close watch on, especially if you live in the eastern portion of the state. Again, like I said, it looks to be a damaging wind mostly kind of day tomorrow in terms of the severe weather threats and maybe some large hail, but definitely got to keep a lookout for any kind of spin-up tornadoes, and we'll be keeping a close watch on that all day tomorrow. So just make sure and keep it tuned in here on Laker Catchery 1049 on our YouTube, Facebook, and also on the air at 1049 FM. And don't forget to download the Laker Catchery app. You can get that for free on your iPhone, your Android. Just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Laker Country. Folks, make sure and stay weather aware tomorrow, and I will keep you up to date on the very latest on all of this. I'll be posting updates as new information comes in. So like I said, follow us on social media and on the air at 1049 FM. Have a great Thursday.